What I'd like to show you today is a project we just finished for one of our Northeast customers. They said we need a display, a countertop display to merchandise 6 wide mouth bottles for our European customers or 6 narrow mouth bottles for our North American customers. In addition to the display holding the product, they needed some areas for graphics, both in front of the bottle as well as a header area behind for enhanced graphics, and some place near the display or on the display to hold some literature talking about showing the customer what's inside the bottles. About halfway through, they also said, oh, by the way, we also want to be able to ship the bottles with the display from our plant to our customer. So that provided an additional challenge in the process, but I'd like to take you out and show you the different ways we handled some of those different opportunities that came up to us. First process is to make the display structure. Literature pocket in the back, tray in the front with some graphics area, both on the top and the bottom. Holds the 6 European bottles, as well as the 6 domestic bottles, which are slightly smaller. We drop the bottles in here, indicate with a line where the top of the bottles are for the customer. We then take the bottles out, ship the display off to the customer for final approval for fit and function, and gives them an opportunity to where they want to place the graphics. What then comes back to us, they take that sample, output some graphics from their design department, front and back, just a simple label. Here's how we would like the finished display to look. With the copy on the front, 2 color here, black and blue, 4 color in the back of the display. So we receive the graphics back to the customer, lay out the graphics on our 4x8. Most of our material comes in 4x8 sheets of material. So we lay out the graphics to get the most efficient yield off the sheet of material. Digitally print on the 4x8 sheet using UV ink, which is a very durable ink. It's going to give it a good shelf life for the display. We then fabricate it through our CNC process, send it over to our bending tables where the components, the base shelf gets bent, the 2 sides get bent in, the literature pocket gets bent, and then everything gets glued up. So here's our final display with the product in it ready to ship to the customer. Okay, so our finished display is placed into the bottom of the shipping carton. We then have a corrugated insert and an egg crate style partition divider that sits in there. So we get the display, ships to our customer, just like this. Very durable package, going to protect the display. When they get it, the customer opens the lid, drops either the 6 European or 6 domestic bottles in, seals it up, closes it, off it ships to their customer. Display and merchandise in one box. What started out as a simple display to merchandise 2 different shaped bottles of 6. We ended up developing the final carton, fabricating the display, shipping to the customer, making it logistically very simple for the customer to reload that same box and ship it out to their end user, eliminating the need for additional corrugated for their bottles, protecting our display, and making sure that the customer, when they do receive it, isn't getting 2 different packages. I have my display, but where's the product? Everything ships together in one box. The solution for the customer is simple. Open the box, put the display out, load it with product, and then sell.
We will do whatever it takes to get you the quality part that you need on time to meet your deadlines.